ready for a delicious treat on Set Up at Home, presented by San Marino Corn Tuna.
Na-achieve na yung pagka-audition ko. Meron akong acting role. Yes. You're gonna be a star! Diba palagi kong dream yun, maging star?
Teka lang, ano ba yung role mo dun sa pinag-auditionan mo?
Actually, hindi ko alam. Pero okay lang yun.
Sige,
basta acting. Finally, magagamit ko na yung aking acting prowess.
Oh, yes!
Sayang naman natin workshop! Oh my God, may niluluto ko sa kitchen. Dali, let's go! Okay! Alam, baka ma-over yung aking potato.
Teka, ano gagawin natin na?
Hindi kasi kailangan lunch lang
mo.
Celebration
ba natin to para sa bago mong racket?
Exactly. Okay, sandali lang. I am making San Marino corn tuna hash.
Okay.
Poached egg.
Celebrate with our San Marino corn tuna hash with poached egg. 1 can San Marino corn tuna. 1 small potato, diced and blanched. 1 egg. 1 white onion, diced. 1 small tomato, diced. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon malt vinegar. 1 slice ciabatta bread. Oil for sautéing. Salt and pepper to taste.
Oo, alam mo, na-excite talaga ako sa racket ko eh. So, finally, exactly, makaka-acting din ako tulad mo, Isa.
Kayang-kaya mo yan, Sam.
Thank you.
I have faith in you.
Ay, salamat, friend. Ayan, okay. Let's put that here.
Okay.
So, like I said, gagawa tayo ng San Marino corn tuna hash with poached egg, ha? Poached egg.
Alam mo, lalo na para sa katulad ko kasi hindi na ako kumakain ng beef. So, matagal na akong hindi nakakatikim ng corned beef hash. So, ngayon, may perfect substitute na yung San Marino corn tuna hash. Corn tuna.
At healthy pa siya, ha? Rich in omega-3 and DHA to. So, speaking of, kuha ka naman ng ay, ako na lang.
Okay.
Can you chop the tomatoes for me? Gagamit tayo ng quarter lang.
Okay.
Tapos paki-dice lang.
Okay, manalangin ka na, Sam.
Okay. Kayang-kaya mo yan. I have faith in you too, you know. Okay, just open a can of San Marino corn tuna. At makikita mo, sobrang siksik sa tuna ito. Okay. I'll show you, ha? Tara! Diba siksik na siksik siya? Sulit na sulit. So, kunwari, ang role mo ay maldita. So, parang pagdating mo sa set, maldita kang maldita.
Hindi naman. Parang I try not to be as madaldal. Para, kasi sometimes pag madaldal ka, masaya ka, ganyan. Eh, usually ako, I cry a lot. So, dapat medyo sad or, painful. Like, ibang emotion. So, para lang I'm ready for a certain scene.
Okay.
I try not to be so sociable.
And judging from your tomatoes, ha, talagang focus na focus ka sa pagda-dice. Maganda siya.
So, Sam?
Yes.
Focaccia bread lang ba yung pwede natin gamitin dito?
Hindi. Actually, kahit anong bread na yung medyo sturdy, medyo matigas ng konti. Kasi lalagyan, papatungan natin siya ng hash. Tapos may poached egg pa. So, parang medyo mababasa.
Ano, super breakfast food to. Parang na-excite ako.
Oo. Ito sobrang patok na patok sa'yo. Kasi yun nga, you don't eat meat. Tapos I know you're into healthy eating. So, can you please bring that over there?
Keep the ends for me.
Okay. Isasaute na lang natin yung vegetables. So,
Okay.
again, onion, garlic, potato, tomato. You wanna do that?
Okay, I can do that.
Sure, okay.
Ako na-excite talaga ako sa project mo. Nasabi niyo ba sa'yo kung ano yung part mo?
Actually, wala pa. Parang mysterious yung dating.
Alam mo, kailangan mo talaga mag-prepare.
Oo, alam mo. Actually, parang kasi hindi ko alam kung anong part ko. Mas na-excite ako. Parang may surprise factor. Diba? Exciting siya.
Hindi ko big part yan. Super
alam
big
mo talaga.
part.
May kutob talaga ako. Siguro parang nakita nila yung star quality sa akin. Just very obvious naman
Obvious naman.
Oo.
Okay, what about dito
to sa water.
Diyan ka magpo-poach ng egg, no?
Oo. Ayan, ang poaching, ito medyo mahirap siya. Level up, like I said.
Level up.
Okay. Pero mas madali itong poaching na gagawin natin kasi shallow poaching lang siya. So, this is just water. Lagyan na natin ng vinegar. This is like pang-stabilize lang dun sa egg.
Okay.
And then we just put some salt para may lasa naman ng konti yung ating egg. Important, when you're poaching an egg, hindi boiling yung tubig mo. Kailangan simmer lang.
Okay.
Now we're ready for the San Marino corn tuna. Okay. Ilagay lang natin dito.
Wonderful.
What's easy with this is, kasi yung deep poaching parang isuswirl mo pa yung tubig eh. This one, you just have to let it sit for a while and then just baste it with the water para maluluto din yung top.
Art of poaching an egg.
It really is an art form. Kukunin ko lang yung ating bread. That's pretty good. Okay. Are you ready, Issa?
I'm ready.
Okay, ito na yung ating toasted bread. So just layering lang to.
Okay.
Bread and then patong-patong. Yes,
Okay.
exactly. Kukunin.
Okay.
You do the honor. Ito na lang. Para walang sasamang water.
Okay.
Yoo-hoo! It's super easy. We just pop the egg on top of the sandwich.
Wow!
And then, i-garnish na lang natin with some cilantro.
Are you ready to try it?
Of course, I'm ready to try it.
Okay.
Presenting our super sarap San Marino corn tuna hash with poached egg.
Kasi ang beauty nito, you have to slice the egg.
And it's gonna run out.
Yes, yung yolk maglalabasan na. So, Oozy. See, you don't have to wait until breakfast para
To enjoy this meal.
Oo. Have it now.
Sarap.
Really good. Sarap. Wow, I'm hungry. Healthy na, masarap pa. I think I'm ready for my...
Okay. Perfect to. Parang power meal.
Oh, yun, diba? I should be okay tomorrow, right? Kaya.
For a copy of the recipe, log on to wmn.ph.
Ay, nako! Ibang, ano ba?
The next day,
Pati ng script. O, ilaw. Ayos na. Dito. Reflector. O, sige.
Direk! Direk! Ready na po ako. Ano pong emotion ang gusto nyo?
Emotion. Ikaw ba yung artista ko?
Yes.
O, sandali. Camera, eto ha. Dito.
Here.
Dito ka. Yan.
Okay.
Pose. Ganyan. Pose, ha? O, may ilaw. Isa ka ditong statue. Huwag kang gagalaw, ha?
Statue?
Huwag ka sinabing gagalaw, eh. O, dyan. O, ready na tayo. Halika na.
Sarap at Home is made possible by San Marino Corn Tuna, San Marino Chili Corn Tuna, and San Marino Tuna Paella. Sarap at Home would like to thank the following sponsors: Kitchen Appliances by GE, Ariston, and Violetti, Kitchen Tools by GastroChef, Cookware by Neoflam, Clothes by Plains and Prince, Karimadon, Emphasis, Tomato.
Natatabangan na ako sa'yo.
Ikaw ang nagkulang.
They turn their backs on their past.
San Marino Corn Tuna. May sarap ng corned beef at sustansya ng tuna.
Less oil, lots of tuna.
I love it. Now that they've found it, they're never letting go of San Marino Corn Tuna.
Find true love in San Marino.
Try it.
You've just enjoyed mouth-watering recipes on Sarap at Home, presented by San Marino Corn Tuna.